IIT Cultural Academy, Coimbatore. Today we are going to see Production Technology of Plantation Crops, Test Series 6. Let's get into the questions and answer. First one. Plantation crops refers to those crops which are cultivated in dash scale. Extensive scale. Small holdings hinders the adaptation of dash cultivation of plantation crops. Intensive cultivation of plantation crops. Plantation crops occupy less than dash of the total cultivated area, 2%. Tea belongs to the family Rutaceae, Theaceae, Chemilaceae, Musaceae. The correct answer is Chemilaceae. Former it is in Theaceae family, now comes under Chemilaceae family. India ranks dash position in tea production. Second. China stands in the first position. Which state contributes high production rate of tea? Assam. Seventh one. Per capita consumption of tea in India is 800 gram. In tea, clone suitable for drought tolerance is Upaசி 2, Upaசி 3, Upaசி 6, Upaசி 8. The correct answer is Upaசி 2. Not only Upaசி 2, Upaசி 9, Upaசி 10 also the drought tolerance plant. Upaசி 2 is called as Jayaram. Upaசி 3, the speciality is a triploid one and is called as Sudharam. Upaசி 6, Brooksland, the mid and higher elevation suitable one. Upaசி 8 is a Golconda, high yielding and suitable for all the elevations. Which of the following is a natural hybrid? Camellia assamica, Camellia sinensis, Camellia assamica subspecies Lasiocalax. So the natural hybrid is option C, Camellia assamica subspecies Lasiocalax. Assamica is also called as Assam jets, whereas Chinensis is called as China jets. Tea is a dash pollinated crop. Self, cross, often cross or all the above. So tea is a highly cross pollinated crop. Tea fruit type is berry, drupe, capsule. So tea fruit type is capsule. Berry, the fruit type of coffee. Drupe, so one seeded drupe is coconut, one seeded berry is areca nut. Clone suitable for higher elevation is Singara, Swarna, Ate, Sudharam. So Singara Upaси 10, Swarna Upaси 17 is a high yielding clone, as Ate Upaси 9, Sudharam Upaси 3, triploid one. Pruning height in skiffing type is 65 cm, whereas 30 cm is rejuvenation pruning in Assam, 20 cm in China rejuvenation pruning, whereas 45 to 60 cm is medium pruning, 60 to 65 cm is light pruning. So skiffing is especially done mainly to postpone the pruning. 14th one. Among the total production, Arabica coffee accounts for 15%, 32%, 68 or 93. 32%. Coffea caniflora, the ploidy level is whether it is a diploid or tetraploid or a triploid hexaploid. So caniflora is a diploid one, is a 2n is equal to 22, whereas Arabica is a tetraploid, 2n is equal to 44. Fruit development period of Coffea arabica is dash month, 8 to 9 months. Which coffee variety shows higher vertical resistance to leaf rust? HDT, whereas selection 5B shows higher resistance to leaf rust. They did not specify it is a vertical or horizontal. in case of selection 5B. But in HDT, it clearly shows that it has high vertical resistance to leaf rest. Selection 7 and selection 9 are the drought hardy plants. So while comparing to the species Robusta or Arabica, Robusta has high resistance to leaf rest. In rubber, specific gravity of lactus is between option C 0.974 to 0.986 is the correct answer. Tapping intensity of S2D2 type is 100% and it is followed in budded plants, whereas 67% is recommended for clonal seedlings S2D3. S2D1 half spiral and daily tapping. D1 which implies is a daily tapping is followed by small growers, but it favors brown blast incidence. In that the tapping intensity is 200%. What is the anticoagulant used to prevent coagulation of rubber lactus? Ammonia, formalin and sodium sulfate. So these three are the anticoagulants which are used to prevent the coagulation of rubber lactus. Annual yield of rubber in budded plantation is 900 to 1000 kg per hectare. 22nd one. Lactus vessels are present at an inclination of 1 to 2 degree, 2 to 3 degree, 3 to 5 or 8 to 10. 3 to 5 degree. Which of the following is a primary clone? TJIR1, GT1, RRIM628. So first A and B are the correct answer. Can you expand RRIM? So the abbreviation for RRIM is Rubber Research Institute of Malaysia. Regions lying within dash latitude are suitable for rubber cultivation. 10 degree latitude is suitable for rubber cultivation. The spacing for budded rubber plants in hilly areas 6.7 meter into 3.4 meter, which accommodates nearly 445 plants per hectare. 26. Dash planting system is followed in rubber. In rubber, rectangular, square and quinine systems of planting are followed. So the correct answer is option D, all the above. 27th. Tapping done at slope of dash to horizontal zone of the budded trees. So in case of budded, the slope is 30 degree. In case of seedlings, 25 degree. Dash is an important pollinating agent in cocoa. Honeybees, midges, grasshoppers, mites. So midges are the important pollinating agent in cocoa, Forciformia midges. 29. Each cushion will bear up to dash flowers in one season in cocoa. Nearly up to 50. So the correct answer is option C, 50. Which type of cocoa is highly susceptible to pest? Criollo, Forastero, Trinitario or Amelonario? So the correct answer is Criollo because it has a thin-walled skin, whereas in Forastero it has thick-walled skins. Pod skin will be thick in case of Forastero. Which variety of cocoa has high fat content? CCRP1, VTLCC1, CCRP5, VTLCH2. Correct answer is VTLCH2, which contains 54% of fat. pH range for cocoa is 4.5 to 7. Success percentage of budded plants in cocoa is 85%, whereas 70% in case of softwood graftings. 34. Mummifying of young fruits is a symptom of dash in cocoa. Dieback, black pod disease, canker, cherry wilt. So the correct answer is cherry wilt. Dash pruning is done in young plants mainly to adjust the height of the first joquata. Formation, sanitary, structural or joquata. So the correct answer is formation pruning. But sanitary pruning is used to remove the unnecessary chupons, diseased or unnecessary branches, etc. Structural pruning is done to shape the canopy to desired size and to frame an architecture. Which micronutrient deficiency is found in cocoa in South India? Zinc. Healthy seeds from mature parts of cocoa usually give a germination of dash percentage. It gives a 90 to 95 percentage. Moisture content of well-dried beans is around dash percentage, 6 to 7 percentage. When cocoa nibs are grounded, the resulting production is chocolate, chocolate liquor, chocolate mass, both A and C, both B and C. So the correct option is D, chocolate liquor and chocolate mass. In cashew, the proportion of perfect flours varies from dash to dash percentage. Whether it varies from 6 to 7, 1 to 2 or 0.45 to 24.9, 50 to 100. So the correct answer is 0.45 to 24.9 percentage. Dash propagation method is commercially adapted in cashew. Both epicotyle grafting as well as the softwood grafting are commercially adapted in cashew propagation technique. In oil bath process, the temperature subjected is 200 to 202 degrees Celsius. Major disease in cashew: wilt, blight, rot, dieback. The major disease in cashew is dieback. Under Tamil Nadu condition, HDP spacing in cashew adapted is 5 into 4. UHDP, that is ultra high density planting, 4 into 2 meter or else 3 into 2 meter. Cashew apple is rich source of vitamin C. Palmyra was recognized as a state tree of Tamil Nadu since 1978. 47th. Padanir yield of SVPR1, that is Srivillipudur 1 Palmyra, is 298 liters. Alcohol content in Palmyra toddy is 5%. 49. In female palm, young female inflorescence is tapped and this method is called as Valuppanai, Arippanai, Tattuppanai or Kaivetti. So, if young female inflorescence means Tattuppanai. Valuppanai, 1 month old inflorescence of the male plant. Arippanai, 2 weeks old. That's 1 to 1.5 months in male plant. Kaivetti, 2 to 3 months old in female plant. Palmyra is native of tropical Africa. Thank you friends. Thank you for watching the video. Kindly subscribe the channel to receive the upcoming videos. Thank you.